Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on this F150. So if you want to know how to take the spare tire out and the location of it underneath, and there it is. And you can see how it's holding on by that clamps. To remove it, you have to use the tools that came with the truck, or you have to buy one. And what you want to do is remove this first. What you have to do is plug in the key, unlock it. At least that's how mine is. Yours might not have a lock, I'm not sure, but mine has a lock. And then there should be a hole, and then you can stick the part of the jack equipment, whatever came with it, to remove the spare tire. So to get to the spare tire jack and all the tools, it's gonna be inside the truck. And mine's located right here and right in there. To remove it, all you gotta do is Velcro it like this. I don't need the whole jack. All I need is these tools right here. But that's how you take your jack as well, if you need to. And then there's also Velcro in here, but tied up to the jack. And there you go. This is what you need to remove the spare tire. So jack is holding on. All you do is just push on it. It's supposed to be in certain location, as you can see right there. And then that should lift up just like that. See right there? I just slide it and it came off. I don't need it right now, but if you do, that's what you do. And then what you do is, I don't know if you can see, line it up, and then so it locks in place, and then make sure you secure it. Then what you want to do is, I have this, yours might be different. And all you do is put your key in, twist, and that comes off. Like I said, yours might be different. And then you're gonna use some of these tools. So what you want to do is, you have these tools, you combine them together, just like that. Put it through here. Make sure it lines up. It's kind of pretty. Check underneath. Make sure it's going straight. Just like that. Now it's secure. Once that's done, all you do is just put this in. Just like this. Then if it doesn't go this way, then you go the other way. So to lower it, that's how you do it. Keep spinning it, and it's dropping. And then you can drop it all the way. Or if you have a second hand, they can hold it and take it off. Do it all the way, just like this. Make sure it's loose, so you're able to take it off once it's loose, just like that. You go underneath and twist this, the metal piece, loosen it more. Once it's loose, all you gotta do is just put it down and take it off. So what I did is, it was underneath like this with the wheel. Put it down so it's clearance, and you have room like this, and you take it off. And then your spare tire is already off. Put it back in, same thing. Put it all the way in, sideways like this, in, and make sure it lines up like this, and it catches it. So you see it, that's how it is. If you want to make it work, it won't go through. You gotta do is put sideways inside, and that's how it picks it up. Just leave it like this, and once you go back in the back, start lifting it, spin it the other way, it should start lifting. That's going down, and then the other way is going to be going up. And when it goes up, try to make sure it lines up. Once it's kind of snug, make sure it's lined up nice and tight, just like that. And let's start lifting. Make sure it's tight. Once it's tight, double check it, make sure it's secure, and you're done. That'll be it for this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.